I'm Richard Bennett, standing here in the kitchen, the warmest room in the house. And let me tell you what happened. During the holidays, we had a slab leak in the dining room and made a big mess, caused lots of disruption, and we had to turn the water off for a few days. Called the plumber. They came out, they had me rip up the carpet, you know, I saved money by doing that myself. They brought out the jackhammer so they could find the leak beneath the concrete slab. When they bring a jackhammer into your house, it's going to cost $1,000 right there. And you've got to take all the pictures and everything on the wall off, and you've got to move the furniture out of the room. The rest of your house is crowded with furniture. These guys found the leak. They put the dirt back, the new piece of pipe back in. They put the dirt in. They put the concrete in. It was all fixed. They smoothed it off. But when the concrete dries, it's never as level as it ought to be. When you walk through there, you can feel the little bit of a slight difference with your feet. So you've got to take that into consideration whenever you have your floor jackhammered up. And they fixed the leak. Did a great job. Cost about $1,500, which is a good price. I had local plumbers, neighborhood plumbers, and they knew me, and we got along pretty good. I got a good price. Okay, everything's supposed to be back to normal, right? We turned the water back on, and on the other side of the house, we discovered a new slab leak. Well, at that point I said, I've got to have a better system than what I've got under our concrete slab, under our house. What we have is 50-year-old pipes that are really just a time bomb. That new slab leak makes the fourth slab leak that I know of that we've had at this house. So I said, I'm tired of this. So, with the recommendation of the plumbers, we PEXed the house, PEXed the whole house. I said, here's $3,000. I'm not paying to have a new slab leak fixed. I'm paying to have a new system put in the house. So they went, and in 2 days, they had run all the line. They went up into the attic. I said, please put the PEX hanging from the roof, not laying on the rafters, because I don't want to step on any pipes. So they did that, did a great job. I was going to do this myself, you know, and I figured it'd probably take me about 3 months to learn how to do it and run the pipe down the walls and stuff like that. They did a better job than I ever could in 2 days. And in 2 days we had water back up and running, and in 3 days they were completely finished. So compare that to having your floor jackhammered up. They should never, in my opinion, you can take this for what it's worth, in my opinion, if you have the money to have a house built, build it the way you want it built. And that is, I think, in my limited knowledge, you should have a pipe running from the street up to your house and then over to the sides of your house, not under your house. I don't believe that water pipes should ever go under your concrete slab. In pier and beam homes, it was built under your house because you were able to get to them. But in concrete slab houses, you can't get to them yourself. You have to have your floor jackhammered up. So, in this new house that you pay for yourself, I would have all my sinks, showers, bathtubs, toilets, everything, they would be lining on the outside wall so that the water could get from the pipe directly to where they need to go. Okay? So that way, whenever there's a problem with the plumbing, you won't have to jackhammer up your floor. You just go outside and dig up a little bit of dirt and get to the pipe that way. Alright, that's my philosophy. That's the way I feel about it. PEX is great. It's new pipe. Compare that to 50-year-old pipe underneath the house. And it has taken a lot of worry away from me. I don't think I'll be having a slab leak in the near future. You know, if I have a leak upstairs, you know, in the next 20 years, I'll probably be able to fix it to myself, because like 80% of this pipe is exposed and I'm able to get to it, and I'm able to cut plastic, you know, and put a little crimp, you know, on it myself, you know, save a little money from the plumber. Anyway, that's just some of the benefits of PEX. I'm sold on PEX. It's a lot cheaper than copper, you know. Nobody's going to steal PEX. People might steal copper, but it'd be hard. They'd have to dig it up. There's no welding with PEX. You know, there's no chance of a fire with PEX. It cost me altogether close to $5,000 to have this done because of that first slab leak. Now, if you have a slab leak, this is what I recommend: that you don't get the slab leak fixed, that you turn off the water, and then you hire the plumber to run you a PEX line up and over, and they can get down into the walls. They know how to do that. They drill the holes, they run the pipes down into the walls and where they need to go. I was going to leave some pipe exposed, but they don't. They know this stuff. You could wind up, I could have wound up paying $3,000 instead of close to $5,000. So that's why I recommend getting PEX at the first sign of a slab leak. Okay? Well, thanks for listening. Gotta go. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.